inside the forest, just nearby. Mainly pine trees. This pine, it's a Lebanese pine. The seed, it's not edible. We have another pine, we call it Alep pine. It gives the seed which you can eat.
Pop, je t'ai trouvé des cordes. Tu peux montrer la Haïda?
Philip.
Pop, tu peux montrer la Haïda?
And we found a rock. When we broke, I don't know, we doubted that it's like a fossil egg. Egg which is fossilized.
Regarde Haïda.
حطيها على بعضها. It was like this. I hit it by another rock. I threw it on a big rock. And it broke 2 pieces. Like I cut it. Because we didn't know that it's something important. I don't know if somebody is expert in this. Do you think it's like inside an egg or something? I don't know. Anyway. This pine, we call it, it's our wild pine because nobody will plant. It will make many seeds every year. Of course it's an old tree, but this forest, too many camps inside and human activity, so it's not regenerated. They are cleaning, they think that they are clean, but the normal forest you should leave it and it will make new trees. It will be everywhere. All the trees here are old. But I will show you something. If you need to repot an orchid, search trees like this, and you will remove remove the bark or something you will get. But choose an old tree. When it's the bark, it's big enough to cut it after. This is oak tree, small. And this another tree, it will make like small grains, birds love it. This pine also, I'll show from here. Look how much long, how much high. Even the air here is another. And without tools, you can take the bark. Very nice bark. Very nice smell of pine. Oh, very nice. 1 minute and you have enough bark for maybe 2 or 3 orchids. The orchids, it's a plant which will not cost anything when you will take care of it. Look how many barks. Chou Philippe, tu marches dans la forêt? Tu aimes la forêt? Non papi, non, je fais une vidéo.
Une vidéo.
Even there another tree inside. I will put the bark here. If you remember, we'll take with us in our person.
Imagine les guides l'ont pris. Les guides pouvaient les prendre.
Even you can find what it's from the family of cedar inside here. But mainly the spine and the oak. There another tree. The trunk is red. Generally the pine also red. Here normal bark also if you want to take. One trip in the forest and you will get many things. God save for us the forest and our life for our children after. Something is very important. For sure, it's more than 30 meters. Doubting maybe 35 to 40 meters. This will not take long time to grow like this. This forest is not so old. This tree I love. I will try one time to take a video of one big there. It's a small tree, but it can be very red, the wood. The bark is very red, but very thin bark. The leaves, very beautiful. Unfortunately, I don't remember all the names. I need to make more research and memorize the name. This is Lebanese tree.
Non, parce que dans le soleil, c'est que ça l'aime.
يا بابا بيبين هون فين؟
C'est là aussi. Regarde comment là.
I don't know if you can see. We found the rock. It's making what we call this name.
Shining. Shining.
Very shiny. Many crystals inside. Also will take with us. I meant to go to see the nature as a plant and trees, but we are studying the rocks now. In the summer, of course, the plant between the trees are very dry now. Even if it rained one time, it is not enough. This plant to make flower very nice. In French we call it cyclamen. It will sleep all the summer as a bulb. Look the bulb how it's attached to one rock under the tree. It's always in the shade of the trees. It can get a little bit sunny, but during the winter it will start to grow. It will make in the spring very beautiful flower. I will not detach haram. Pity. The roots it's entered in the rock even. It's the first time I see it uncovered like this. Very nice. But this leaves will dry. It will make many seeds. It will grow anywhere. But after it will grow again. Maybe if I will remember in the spring I will come and take video for it again. شفت السكلمان بابا؟ لكن الأونيون تبعه